So we're back in the classroom for more organization ideas.
Yes.
So I know teachers come in with a lot of stuff, right? And at back to school time, students come in with even more stuff. Is that right?
They do. They walk in the door that first day with their own supplies, papers, pencils, anything they think they might need to get through the school year.
Well, I bet you've got some good ideas.
I do. You know, whether a teacher wants to have community supplies available or help shape up student supplies, I've got some quick tips to get organized and stay organized. This is one of my most favorite organization tools in the classroom.
Well, look at that. It just hangs right over the back of the student chair.
It does, it's so convenient. This is your at-your-seat storage stack. It is so easy for my students to keep their supplies off of their desk.
Well, David's got a little language journal in here and independent reading book.
It's awesome. This helps every student to be responsible for their own supplies, and it helps to avoid class disruptions during transition time.
Well, this looks like a great solution for students that maybe sit at tables instead of desks.
You know, I love to use book bins to hold individual student supplies. They fit nicely on a storage unit, and it allows my students to hold binders, portfolios, or bulky textbooks. You know, this is a great way for students to manage fewer materials and keep their supplies organized at their seats. For community supply storage and organization, my go-to is a store-it-all rotating caddy. It comes in many colors, and you know how much I like to color code things.
Oh yeah.
So the blue one goes with the blue group, the green one goes with the green group, and it's a great way to organize and store their everyday supplies.
Lisa, thanks so much for sharing your ideas on how to get stuff in shape for the school year.
You bet, Ran. Thanks for joining me. When teachers are getting organized with their stuff, it's a good idea to keep the organization of student supplies in mind.
Be sure to like this video and post your comments, and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more.